Shanghai Sollant Energy Saving Technology Company Limited has been involved in research and development, manufacturing, sales and marketing, and services of compressed air systems. Our vision is to develop new technologies, strictly following international standards, adhering to the principle of energy saving to create values and cast the future brand business, aiming to provide stable and efficient air compression systems for global enterprises. Sollant branch locations and customers all over the world: Shanghai, Shandong, the United States of America, Mexico, Russia, Thailand, Philippines, South Africa, Turkey, Uzbekistan, and so on. Sollant adheres to the development concept of technological innovation is the first productive force, realizes the diversified value of customers, and meets the differentiated gas demand of customers in different industries. The current product series include air compressors for laser cutting, rotary screw-type air compressors, diesel air compressors, centrifugal air compressors, low-pressure air compressors, oil-free air compressors, diaphragm air compressors. Sollant strictly abides by the international ISO 9001 quality management system standards. From R&D to manufacturing to quality inspection, every process is strictly monitored and controlled. Keeping product quality on the top, Sollant owns several core technology patents and also got certified by CE, ISO, ASME, French BV, and other international certifications. Relying on core technology based on customers' needs, we do provide our customers with customized gas solutions as well, saving 20 to 30% of energy costs. Thus, we have been awarded several engineering projects overseas. Sollant actively responds to the global call for carbon peak and carbon neutrality, and is committed to researching and developing high-efficiency, energy-saving, low-noise products, contributing China's strength in the development of global low-carbon economy. Sollant, representing China to serve the world.